Just wanted to show another example of just how well these Diamondback covers are made and how secure they are. Some jackwads stole my truck a couple of months ago, and I guess they wanted to see what was in the back of this thing, and they used some tools to pry these, to defeat these locks. It took quite a bit of work to break them, but nonetheless they did with time. As we know, there is no such thing as a undefeatable lock. With the right tool and a little bit of time, you can get into anything, but nonetheless it took them quite a bit of work to get in. The only thing that they messed up in getting in this thing was the locks themselves, and Diamondback promptly sent me new locks to replace them with. And I just want to show you how easy this was. And all you need is a few simple tools to get it done, and then all you have to do is open this up and take your arm mechanism off here with just this one nut here. This all comes off, and in about 2 minutes you can take the snap ring off of the lock mechanism. It just slides right out this piece here. Put the new one in that Diamondback sent me, put the snap ring back, lock it all into place, and you're good to go. It took maybe 2 to 5 minutes to replace both of these, each one. Great product.